Or maybe you've been looking forward to this. It's finally here, spring cleaning.
I look forward to it, but sometimes tackling the task of cleaning the house can be a little overwhelming, but professional organizers suggest a method to the madness.
Yes, get organized. First up, the always tangled drawer or your medicine cabinet. By using uniform jars and containers, you can find what you are looking for very quickly. And we can't forget about the dreaded junk drawer.
Everyone, even the tidiest people, have a junk drawer. Embrace it and organize it.
Handy customizations, turn your junk drawer, your drunk drawer.
That too.
That's not a drawer. You can turn your junk drawer into everyday lifesavers.
That's more of like a cabinet instead of a drawer.
Everybody, I have several junk drawers. I mean, when you get kids in the picture.
And I don't think junk drawers are supposed to be organized. That's why they're junk drawers.
No, I kind of feel like that too, but whatever. Mike, hi.
Until you're like looking for that screwdriver. Like, where did I put that screwdriver? When in doubt.